Good morning, y'all. It's Father Jamie, and I'm here in my office pontificating this morning. And I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who have been praying for me and been there for me. Today is my 4th anniversary of priesthood ordination. So I'll just show you a few things I'm going to be doing throughout the day. First thing I'm going to do is braille out the scrutinies for our RCIA initiates. So anyway, I have my braille writer here in front of me. Hopefully y'all can see that. And I've got the paper in it, so I'm gonna work on that, and I'm just gonna let you all watch me write something for a second. I probably won't get a good angle here, but I'll prop this up against my wall and my phone. But anyway, and we'll hope that my phone doesn't fall, ouch, on the floor. More than one way to skin a cat here. I'm just that good. All right. Okay, so I'm using my old-fashioned braille writer this morning. Okay, number 3. So, take it down a line. So, and it has a ding on it, just like a old-fashioned typewriter. And then I set the bell way over there so it ain't gonna ring. Okay, let's try that again. Ding. All right, I will catch up with y'all later on in the day. God bless. Well, now I'm floating on my boat on the lake. I've had a lovely day so far. I got home after my Mass at Blessed Mother, and Miss Mary Margaret and I worked on the train layout, got part of the beach installed for the California coast. And then Charles and his wife Ruth Ann came over, and we could not get my new locomotive to start that we had ordered, and I've got it charging right now, so hopefully when I go back up there in a little while it will be awake. we will see. But anyway, it's a beautiful evening out here on the lake. We're looking up at the mountain, and I imagine the trees have leafed out. Lots of happy birds making their happy sounds. Now I'm walking on the back of the boat. Beautiful evening. I will catch up with you all later on. Well, now I am on the back of the train. Just got off the boat and got the boat docked for the night. And it's ready for tomorrow. We have all these cute little birds running around here making little bird sounds. So, time for this train to roll. Let's give you all a view of things around here. It's kind of moist around here, all the rain we've had. I love these little birds. I can't remember the name of them, but they lay their eggs on the ground, and a lot of them have been laying eggs on the train tracks. So, anyway, time to roll. All aboard. That wakes the birds up. Let's roll. Here comes the train. My new IC engine. there's the mean old women's club over here. Here it comes up the mountain. Even got an IC caboose and an IC boxcar on here. Comes the train across the big bridge. And Miss Mary is working on real fake grass. So she's got it going on here.